Chat not useful.
Wow, you're illegal. You're finished it.
Okay, so this is the refined 5-minute BC, and you can see we touch the CE of it beautifully. Laptop one MacBook loading so long the chart also haven't come out. Apple shit really nonsense one. Trading view only can download on iPad and iPhone. The MacBook cannot. Wait, I got my software here. Use the mic. Okay, so now nothing crazy. We're just waiting. Here on the lower time frame is a okay. Here on the lower time frame, you can see here we have relative equal lows here. If I pull up the 1-minute chart, okay. So here we got sell side, and right now we got buy side also. Yeah. So now we wait and see. Okay, from this CB, looks like we're gonna pop down and clear the sell side here. GBP.
Download highlight.
Play around yourself lah, yo. Always ask for it. On the 1-minute chart, we can see here S&P went and cleared up the buy side. Nasdaq as well. We got the same CB here. So right now, let's see if we pop down to clear this sell side here. Okay, I'll show you dollar. Okay, so this red box here is the 1 week breaker. Okay, right now we are in the 1 week breaker, and to be honest, it's very distracting, so I'm going to delete it. Okay. Dollar looking nicely down to clear the sell side. So here we got S&P. Look at S&P, higher lows, Nasdaq higher lows, went down, lower lows. Okay. So with dollar going lower, so we got the S&P here, and I want to see this 1 minute. I want to see this 1 minute CBX inversion fair gap now. Go to the 15 minute. Here is the buy side that I'm talking about, but I'll be looking at this C wick. Okay. If you can pop out to clear the buy side, then we'll probably come up here to reach for this C wick as well. If I go long here, my stop loss is here. So I'm still looking to see if this is the S&P that we got here. Look at dollar. Okay, so dollar right now is going higher, and here we got sell side. Okay. This is sell side, and we still got some more sell side here. Okay, so this is sell side that I'm aiming for. So we came to this week. Right now look at this CE week. Put it times 2. So let's see how we react in this 15-minute CE week here. Okay, Dow still maintaining the lower low, Nasdaq still maintaining the higher lows, and S&P as well. So right now I want to see at this 15-minute CE week, do we support here? Okay, at the moment we are doing nothing because Dow continues going lower, Forex also going lower, and dollar is moving higher. So we stay sidelines because I'm only interested in going long. Okay, now we see this 5-minute. Okay, we are this 5-minute CE week. I want to see, do we support here? And if we do, and dollar, I'll show you dollar. Okay, look at dollar. So this white line is, this white box is this 4-hour CB, okay, that we're in. So we are holding at the 4-hour CB. And it might want to go up and clear buy side here because here we got tons of buy side. Okay, 5-minute chart. So here, this is the buy side here. Okay. So right now, as you can see, I wanted to see this act as inversion, but we didn't get it. So that's why. It's all about choosing your setups and waiting for it. So right now, as you can see, okay, I'll pull out Euro and for you. Okay, as you can see, Forex is at the moment going down as well. But we have buy sides here. Okay, Forex here is the sell side. And we have buy side here. Okay, so we shall wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let Forex clear the sell side first. And let's have a look at GBP. Okay, GBP cleared sell side. Okay, GBP cleared sell side here. And it also cleared buy side here already. So here the buy side is cleared also. So right now the next buy side is here. Okay. So if I see okay, so now we just be patient and we wait. We wait and we see what we can get here. Okay, so we once again came down to the refined 5-minute BC here. Okay, I think I'll pull out the midnight opening. Okay, midnight opening is right here. Midnight opening is here. Let's put it gray. Midnight Okay. Okay, we are back at the 28th September New Week opening gap. So I've stated if we were to close below this New Week opening gap here, then what's the next draw? The next draw will be this. Okay, next draw will be this 5-minute BC here. And we got another BC here. So this is to the downside. Put it brighter. Okay. So this to the downside. So right now we have cleared sell side once again at this 5-minute CE wick here. So I'm seeing, do we close above the new opening gap? And if we close above the new week opening gap and the CE of this 5-minute BC, then yes, things will be looking very good for me. So right now, we're just chilling, just doing nothing. So dollar is going higher. Okay, so dollar is going higher. It's going to go up to clear this buy side most likely, and this is the 4-hour CB that we are in. So if dollar is going higher, basically I'm not going to do anything. So I'm going to see after we clear this buy side, do we have rejection lower? Okay, and that is what I'm expecting. That is what I want to see. But sometimes doesn't mean you want to see something then the market is going to give you. So you just have to be patient and pick your shots. Yeah. Okay, we are back at the old monthly high. So what is this old monthly high? Let me show you. This old monthly high is this one. Okay. Okay, maybe there's too much things. I shall take it off for you. High. Oh. Okay. So this is the old monthly high that I'm looking at. Okay. So let's put the lipsticks back on. Show. Okay. And now I'll go back to the 15-minute chart. Sorry, the 5-minute chart. Okay. So we are doing nothing. It's still early. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. Okay. See how we close right at the new opening gap here. Things are looking okay for me, but I'm still doing nothing because dollar is going higher. Yep, clearing up the buy side as expected. This is still clean. So I want to see, do we have rejection after clearing out this buy side? Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Do we have rejection after clearing out this buy side? And now we are at the C of this 4-hour CB, and if for you guys that forget about it, I shall bring it up to you. It's this CB that I'm looking at, okay? This 4-hour CB. Damn, why is it so far away? Okay, in 1 hour is 2 of this CB. So let's have a look. What's going on? Okay, nice. Right now we have cleared the buy side here. So I'm seeing, do we reject below? Here we have a CB here. Do we respect this CB as well? And reject below. Oh, we can come up, since we are so close here, right? You can come up here just to fill up. But I want to see a strong rejection, an immediate rejection here, because this is a balanced price range, okay? Here, I'll draw it for you. Here, from here, this is a balance price range. So I want to see rejection here. Okay, price has to reject here for me to be for it to be bearish, so it's bullish on the S&P. And let me show you Forex. Okay, Forex going lower, just went down and cleared the sell side here. So right now I'm looking at this BC. Okay, we hold this BC. Okay, this to me is the last line of defense. Okay, we find support here again and come back up. And GBP. Okay, GBP also going lower. We cleared sell side, so the next sell side is here. Okay, so doesn't mean you plan to trade. Means you have to press the button. No, it's not that. It's all about you picking your shots, seeing what you think. Do you like the price action here? If you like it, does it want to make you press the button? That is a different story. So for GBP, look at this CV, look at this BC here, okay? Because if we come down, so if we somehow clear this sell side, most likely we'll reach for this BC here. Okay, so now we're back in S&P. S&P right now is reaching for the BC here. Okay, too dark. Okay, too bright. Reaching for BC right here and pull it up for you. Okay, so right now it's just keep reading. I want you to see, do we find, okay, look at here, from this new week opening gap to this BC here, 5-minute BC. So can see here, price overlapped it beautifully. So dollar looking higher, and right now everything is basically against my bias. So this is a, look at this, beautiful. Stopped it at the high of the new year opening gap. So right now I'm looking at this volume balance. So from this volume balance, if it comes up here, then you have a potential. We can potentially go short. So here, where your stop loss might be, your stop loss has to be here. Okay? Stop loss has to be at 5786 or so. Because here is the old monthly high and the new week opening gap, and the new opening gap high is where I want to see price stop at. So we are still waiting. I want to see, do we close above this 28 September new week opening gap? Because if we do close above it, then only we can see price going back to be bullish. Okay, right now this volume balance here, okay, so 5783.5 to this BC to midpoint of this 5780. So to the next one is here. Okay, because if we were to reject at the new opening gap, right, then I will be confident for price to come down here some more and clear. Here we got sell side. Okay, and this is the wick. Okay, and this is the 4 hour. Okay, this is the 4 hour wick. Okay, so now let's continue seeing. They want to continue lower. Okay, Nasdaq going lower as well. Dow also lower. So we're still staying sidelines, we're doing nothing. Okay, so this is this 5-minute BC here, and this is the 5-minute, we refine it to 15-minute. Okay, and now the next one I want you to look at is this one. Okay, 5775. This is the next BC here. Okay, look at this BC here. So basically just now from this volume balance, okay, I talked about this volume balance just now. If you went short in this volume balance here, stop loss has to be above the new opening gap. So I put it here, and let's see 5 handles, and there you go. You got your 5 handles. This is the 15-minute BC, but this is not the trade that I would take. Okay, so this is just a tape read. So right now I want to see, do we reach for the 15-minute BC here? Because remember, now buy side, now the one that is feeling safe is all here, and you can see buy side has been traded to here. Okay, buy side has been cleared beautifully, and then here we got a fair value gap. It outshoot the fair value gap here and trade lower. At the moment, I'm doing nothing. Nothing is to be done right here. Okay, let's look at dollar. As you can see, dollar came up to this. Okay, dollar came up to the balance price range that I was talking about on the 5-minute. Okay, dollar came out here, respect it to the CE of it beautifully. Let me show you. Can you see? Can you see this? Here. So I want to see, does it reject? Does it now start to reject lower? Look at this. This is beautiful. So dollar is doing what I expect it to do, but that just means that it's easier for S&P, Nasdaq to go higher. But it doesn't mean S&P and Nasdaq can go lower, continue lower. So right now I'm looking at this CE wick, okay? Right now I'm looking at this wick. Okay, you can see we stop dead right at there. So I want to see, do we reject from here? Okay. Okay, let's look at Forex. Okay, Forex cleared the sell side here. Okay, right now I'm looking at this wick as well. Euro. Okay, so right now sell side is damaged. Okay, buy side is still clean. So what to do? Remember, we see the charts, we see it in a basis on who is feeling safe right now, and we wait for it. So as you can see, this was a 500 run that I tape it with you live here, but this was not the trade that I would take. It's about picking your shots. Okay, from this volume balance to this 5-minute BC of the CE here. So here is 5783.5 to 5780.5. So that's a 3-handle microscope or what. But that's not the trade that I'm looking for. So right now, we wait and see. Do we get a rejection? Do we start to move higher, displace higher from this 5-minute BC? Or do we continue lower to this 15-minute BC here? So let's go down 1 minute. Okay, so in 1 minute here, okay, look at this volume balance. Okay, for this volume balance, do we reach down here? Okay, so for this volume balance, okay, here, hypothetically, let's look at here, 5781.75. Okay, but I want to show you something first. Dollar. Okay, dollar got a fair gap here, rejected beautifully at the balance price range now, looking nicely to go lower. So I'm looking at this gap. Okay, right now dollar is looking really good to me. So I'm going to see, do we get anything here? Okay, I'm looking at this CB. Okay, let's see, do we have we got any SMT or anything, the 15-minute? Okay. Okay, not really anything, but okay, this 3-minute. Right now, this CB, I'm looking at this as an inversion fair value gap. Okay, inversion fair value gap. So hypothetically, if I go long here, 5782, and my stop loss is to be placed at 5779.5. for the silver bullet. Now we wait for the silver bullet. I'll be looking at this volume imbalance as well. So do we trade above this volume imbalance and the new week opening gap? That's what I'm seeing here. Okay, right now, beautiful displacement. Okay, I don't like the rejection here, okay. So, we continue waiting. Okay, see, does it close above this CB? Okay, so there's nothing much in the 5 minute. I got on the 3 minute. Okay, this is the 5 minute BC here. Okay, so price basically went up to this 5 minute CB here. Okay, and then fills up the 3 minute O volume balance, and right now we are back in this O 5 minute CB. So we shall see, do we have a candle closing above this CB? Okay, can see it respected beautifully. So bodies tell the story, so it's likely might go lower. So look at this volume balance. Okay, this beautiful reaction. It came down to this volume balance, but it stopped dead right there. Stopped dead and rejected higher. This is what I want to see. So I'm looking at this wick here. Do we shoot above the volume balance now? Because right now dollar is giving me all the green light I have already. But that doesn't mean we go long straight away. We still have to wait. So I'm looking at this wick, the C of this wick here. Okay, I'll measure it out for you. Okay, I'm looking at this wick, 5783. Do we shoot above it, displace above, and I want to see it close above or inside the new opening gap and find support there? That is when I'm only interested in going long. So now we wait. Oh, this one really cacat. Why they don't let you use? Okay, I'll tell you why I'm still willing to sit in the charts right now, because dollar is really moving as what I expect it to, and it cleared up this buy side. Now sell side is just feeling super safe, and GBP also looking like it might want to power up. So I'm looking at this CB here as a potential inversion. So this right now I'm looking at the inversion, fair value gap. Okay, I'm looking at this as an inversion fair value gap. So euro, okay, euro slightly stronger, trading inside this CB. I want to see it hold here. Okay, so things are looking pretty okay right now. Okay, look at this volume balance. But at the moment, this CB is really holding the body. So this volume is, do we find support? If we don't, we'll likely see this 15 minute BC. Okay, look at the high. Okay, 5782.75. So short by one tick on the CE wick. So I guess we might see this 15 minute BC. But dollar is going down nicely now, and forex, euro, look at the euro. Okay, euro, look at that, bodies is still holding in this 5-minute CB, which is not what I want to see. So I want to see it close above the CB, then we can see it run. Here got buy side, buy side, buy side. We got tons of buy side now. Now buy side is the only one that's feeling safe. So right now we wait. So right now is 3:36, and 3:36, and generally ICT said before 3:30 is generally the turning point. Okay, so we shall see. Is it a coincidence that price reversed right at 3:30 in the forex here? Okay, Euro catching up nicely. But Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow. Okay, Dow is just keep on going lower. Dow just looks like you want to go lower. Okay, unless Dow can trade above this CB, it's not much of it. It's not much help here. Okay. Okay, we have the volume balance here. So I would like to see Nasdaq close above this volume balance as well. So nice, Nasdaq is closing above this volume balance. Let's see, does it stays firm now to the upside? And because of what Nasdaq is doing here, Forex is going lower. Forex is going higher very nicely. Dollar is going lower. And look at this volume balance here. Look at this. I want to see us close above this volume balance, okay? Okay. Okay. Look, we didn't close above the volume balance. So, it's nothing to do. It's nothing to do. I want to see this swing low stay intact. Okay. Remember, there's no rush or anything. This is the inversion CB. Okay. Right now, I want to see bodies close above it. Then only I will consider. Because look at dollar and forex is moving nicely. Okay, dollar reaching lower to the sell side as expected. GBP catching up, going higher to the buy side. Euro also going up to clear the buy side. But indices we are still going lower. So does this tells you that it's a symmetry market? No. It's not a symmetry market. That's why we do nothing. So I'll just give you a scenario. Okay, right now we have bodies closing above this CV, and if it comes back down here, then I would go in long and expect it to act as inversion. But right now, as you can see, indices is just continuously going lower and lower to where? Remember, this is the 15-minute BC that I'm talking about. So right now I'm looking at here. So this is the 15-minute. So this is the 15-minute BC here. So, yep, we're gonna reach it. And look what I told you. From this volume balance here, 5780, your stop loss has to be above the CE wick at least. 5783, and here to this 15-minute BC, 5775. So here is another. Okay, so let's say here. Shit, yeah. Okay, so above the volume balance, and to this 15-minute BC is 5 handles. All you need is 5 handles. So that is another 500 run. But this is not the high probability conditions. So actually it's just ridiculous that it felt short by it, but it didn't clear it out. So at the moment the draw is still this 15-minute BC. Went so close to it. Okay, look at this volume balance now. Okay, from this volume balance, okay, look at this volume balance. Do we reach up the volume balance? And right now, we basically stopped it at this 5-minute BC, and your stop loss has to be here. There we go, 5 handles to the 15-minute BC because dollar catch back up higher with euro and GBP continue going lower. So if it comes up to this volume imbalance, then I will go short. Seeing how it is right now. Forex also looking lower. Dollar going higher. So let's look at 1 minute. So in 1 minute we can see that we actually fill up this CB already. So this is order block. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. So to the downside, sell side is where? Sell side is here. So right now forex going lower, dollar is going higher. Here I'll put it up for you. Okay. See, do we hold support here and go up? Dollar higher. Do we hold support here and go down? Because right now this is a CB. I want to see, do body stay inside beautifully like that? Okay, nice. This volume balance, I want to see price just trade through it. I don't want to see resistant reaction. I want to see price trade through it. Because this is the 5-minute CB and 5-minute BC also. So I want to see us trade above it. Okay, I don't want to see it act as resistant. But look at that, it's really very funny that price left out this BC and this relative equal low. So right now, we actually potentially, from this volume balance here, sell side is being engineered right now. So once again, we failed to reach up to the volume balance. And right now, I want to see this volume imbalance just So my stop loss has to be here, 82. So from 80 to 82. Okay, so see, do we reject here? Or do we close above this 5 minute BC? Right now order flow is just looking bearish and probably want to reach down here. Okay, so see, do we close below this volume balance? Okay, we close inside this volume balance. So right now order flow is still looking very bearish, and here sell side is being engineered. So watch this CE wick here. Five minute. Look at this up close. This is a order block. Okay. So see this orange line 5781.5 is the mean of the order block. Okay. So we will see how price react after reaching there. Okay. Okay, dollar is just going lower. Forex now catching up, going higher. Okay, dollar is going lower. GBP is still holding at the CB. For Euro is looking bullish already. And the fact that we close back. Okay, I'll take it. Stop loss will be just right above here. Take profit is this 15 minute BC. Okay. So why I went short here is because the fact that we came back to this CB again and touched the mean order block and rejected lower. And this volume balance now, bodies have to close below it. If bodies don't close below it, I'm just gonna kill the trade. Okay, this is the 5 minute mean order block because I see how we reacted at the order block here. That's what gives me the confidence. So let's see what is the other targets we can get. Is this 5 minute BC here? So I'll just pull it down here. And partials will be taken at this 15 minute BC. So look at this order block here. So next, watch this CE wick, okay, and the order block. And I want to see speed through this volume balance. So right now I'm looking at this CE wick. Do we reject that? Okay. So right now we're still seeing this CB. Okay, once again we came up to this CB here, and see right now, do we reject lower to this 15 BC? Right now I got stopped out already, but we will still watch. Okay. So right now we are in the 350 macro. Okay, so dollar still looking nicely to the downside, but you can see the futures market is just not moving in tandem, moving lower as well. So right now we shall see for the 350 macro. I want to see now price expand to this 15-minute BC, which I'm still thinking that's the target. So look at this. This is order block. So do we reject lower here? Okay, Nasdaq rejected higher. So Nasdaq now higher lows. So let's see if I short here, 5778.25. My stop loss will be just placed here. Okay, mean of this order block. Look at this here. Okay, nice. Now I want to see it expand speed and distance through this 15-minute BC. Because here, if you see the 15-minute, sell side is engineered right here, okay? 15-minute BC and here, so sell side is really engineered right here. This CE wick right here. Okay, right now look at this volume balance. So if it comes out to the volume balance, so yeah. So right here you can see I went short in the volume balance, but I got filled down here. So I'm going to mitigate my position here. Okay, right now it should really start going lower. So this is the 15-minute BC here. Remember, here's the draw. So I'm seeing this C wick. Okay, it has to reject here now, lower. And this order block right here is what is holding the price now. Okay, so right now sell size engineered here. I want to see speed and distance. I want to see speed to this 15-minute CB, a 15-minute BC. Okay, forex looking going lower, dollar going higher. So right now we should see speed and distance anytime. Okay, it has been playing around at the mean order block now here. I want to see now, speed lower. Because dollar is going higher and foil is going lower. So it should be easy for indices to go lower as well. Okay, it didn't, but that's it. Okay, so that's it for today.